how you can easily log into your Progressive Insurance account. First, open any web browser on your laptop, or you can do it on your phone as well, and search for Progressive Insurance on the search bar. Once you search for it, as you can see here, you can get a short description of Progressive Insurance. It is an American insurance company, and it became the largest motor insurance carriers in the US. The company was co-founded in 1937. So in order to get to your account, you need to open the first link right here. This will direct you to the official website of Progressive Insurance. Now, in order to log in, you can see at the top right corner there is an option that says login. Click on it. Now you will be directed to the login portal of this website. And once you are on your login website, you can just simply enter your user ID and enter your password. Then click on login and you should be able to log into your account. But if you want the browser to remember your login info so you don't have to hassle every time to enter your login details, you can just check this box so that the browser will remember your login ID. And once you log in, you should be able to get into your account. But if you can't log in, then make sure that you have entered the correct user ID and your password, because sometimes you will make typing mistakes. So in that case, you just have to make sure that everything is correct. But if you forgot your password, you can click right here to recover your password. It will send a reset link to your email. And if you don't have an account, you can always register for a new account from here. I hope you found the video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on post notification. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.